The cloud powers everything online, from streaming to global business. Three giants dominate: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Each is a vast ecosystem with unique strengths and philosophies. Today we'll break down what sets them apart: market share, service variety, AI, enterprise integration, and more. Our goal: give you a clear side-by-side look so you can decide which fits your needs. Let's dive in. This is AWS versus Azure versus GCP. First up, Amazon Web Services, AWS, the original cloud leader. AWS launched in 2006, giving it a huge head start and the largest market share. Its strength? An unmatched range of services from EC2 for compute to S3 for storage and even quantum computing. AWS is the go-to for startups and enterprises needing scale, reliability, and a massive toolbox. The ecosystem is robust with extensive documentation and a huge community, but AWS can be overwhelming: hundreds of services, steep learning curve, and complex pricing. Predicting costs is tough, and vendor lock-in is a real risk if you go all in on their proprietary tools. Still, if you want the most mature, feature-rich platform and have the expertise to manage it, AWS is hard to beat. It's the king of the hill for a reason. Next, Microsoft Azure, the enterprise powerhouse. Azure leverages Microsoft's deep business relationships and integrates seamlessly with Windows Server, Office 365, and Active Directory. Its standout feature: hybrid cloud. Tools like Azure Arc let companies manage on-premise and cloud resources together. Azure is ideal for organizations with existing Microsoft investments or those needing a gradual cloud transition. Developers in .NET or SQL Server environments get a first-class experience. Azure's hybrid benefits can mean big savings, but pricing is still complex. The platform is powerful, but its Microsoft-first approach may not suit everyone, especially open-source heavy teams. Vendor lock-in is a risk here too. For enterprises already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Azure just fits. Finally, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, the innovator. Google brings its expertise from running search, YouTube, and Gmail to the public cloud. GCP excels in data analytics, AI, and containers. BigQuery makes massive data analysis fast and easy. Google's AI tools like TensorFlow and custom TPUs give developers access to advanced machine learning. GCP created Kubernetes, and its managed GKE is a favorite for containerized apps. Pricing is often more predictable, but the service catalog isn't as broad as AWS. GCP's smaller global footprint and specialized skill requirements can be limiting. It's a platform built for engineers who want cutting-edge tech. So which cloud should you choose? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Match your needs, workloads, team expertise, budget to each platform's strengths. Microsoft Shop? Azure is a natural fit. Building with containers and AI? GCP shines. Need the broadest services and reach? AWS leads. Do a self-assessment, test the platforms, and compare costs. The right choice is a long-term partnership, so choose wisely. Cloud competition drives innovation and benefits us all. Which platform do you prefer? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.